Good day, Mom. This is Eloisa and Labanza from BSTM1 India. This is my business document I gathered. First, I have a real scenario which is purchase of snacks. My transaction is Eloisa purchased a snack worth 82 pesos in Deli Mini Mart. She paid it by using cash. I choose to make a journal entry because for me it is easy to analyze a business document. First, if you're going to make a journal entry, you need to write the date, the account title, the debit and credit. So, I purchased a snack in September 18, 2024, and my account title is expense of snack and cash. So I also write debit or credit to analyze which is being credited and debited. So my debit is expense of snacks, which is when you purchase the snack, it is recorded as an expense because you are spending money for something that won't provide future economic benefit. Expenses are increased by debit. So, the cash is being credited because since you are paying for the snack with cash, your cash balance decreases. Cash is an asset and assets decrease with a credit. Then, my description is to record the purchase snacks of Eloisa through cash. That is my first scenario of analyzing business document. This is my second real scenario of analyzing business document. My second scenario is payment of utilities. The transaction is Edwin Labanza pay his electricity bill in Biliran Electric Cooperative INC worth of 358 pesos in cash. So, as I said, it is for me it is very comfortable to make a journal entry because you will be knowing where is the debit and credit. So it is so specific to understand business document. First, you need to write the date, the account title, the debit and credit. So Edwin Labanza pay electricity bill on February 2024. The account title is Utilities Expense and Cash. To analyze where is being credited and debited, the utilities expense is going to be a debit because when you receive the bill, you have incurred a cost for the electricity used in your home. This is considered an expense, and in accounting, expense are recorded as debit, so you would debit the 358 pesos to your utilities expense. Then the cash is being credited because when you make the payment using cash, the amount of cash you have decreases. In accounting, when an asset like cash decreases, it is recorded as credit, so you would credit the 358 pesos to your cash account. Journal entry I made because it is easy to analyze business documents. That's all. Thank you.